Have you recently seen ads for Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray and wondered whether it's a revolutionary rust removal solution or just another overhyped internet product? Let's take a closer look. Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray, sold by Mad Detailing, is advertised as a powerful iron remover that can instantly dissolve rust, break dust, iron fallout, and stubborn contamination from metal surfaces. The advertisements are certainly impressive. In many of the videos, rust appears to disappear almost instantly after the product is sprayed. Some demonstrations even show heavily corroded surfaces looking nearly brand new within seconds. At first glance, it seems almost too good to be true. And that's where the first major red flag appears. Real rust removal is usually a chemical process that takes time. While some iron removers can react quickly with iron particles and produce the well-known purple color effect, they typically don't perform the miraculous transformations shown in many viral advertisements. In several promotional videos, viewers noticed something unusual. Rust appears to vanish from areas where the product wasn't even sprayed. Others pointed out that some demonstrations look digitally edited, creating the impression that the cleaning effect was added after filming. These observations have led many consumers to question the authenticity of the advertising. Another concern involves the advertisements themselves. Multiple viewers have commented that the videos appear to be AI-generated or heavily manipulated using modern editing tools. Some promotional materials contain unnatural voiceovers, strange visual transitions, and images that don't always look entirely realistic. While AI-generated marketing isn't automatically a sign of fraud, it becomes concerning when it's used alongside exaggerated product claims. Then there are the reviews. Some customer testimonials appear across multiple websites and advertisements, often using identical wording or very similar photos. In some cases, the images themselves appear computer-generated or heavily edited. When reviews cannot be independently verified, consumers should approach them with caution. Pricing is another issue worth discussing. The product is frequently promoted using large discounts, countdown timers, and limited-time offers designed to create urgency. However, many similar rust removal sprays can be found online under different brand names at significantly lower prices. This suggests that Iron Eraser may simply be a rebranded generic product rather than a unique breakthrough formula. That doesn't necessarily mean the product is completely useless. Many iron removers do help remove brake dust, iron particles, and surface contamination. The problem is that the advertising often creates expectations that go far beyond what these products can realistically achieve. Based on the marketing tactics, questionable demonstrations, AI-generated promotional content, and reports of exaggerated claims, buyers should be cautious before expecting the dramatic results shown in the advertisements. So, is Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray legitimate or a scam? The product itself may perform some basic cleaning functions, but the marketing appears heavily exaggerated and contains several warning signs commonly associated with drop-shipping-style advertising campaigns. If you're considering buying it, do your own research, compare alternative products, and don't rely solely on the viral ads. And if you've personally used Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray, leave a comment below and share your experience. Your feedback could help other viewers make a more informed decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other product investigations.